Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use the alarms and hourly chime on your Casio Pro Trek PRG240 watch. This is module 3246, should work for any of the 3246 or 3173 module watches out there. So I'm going to try and explain this as basic as possible. You basically have 5 different alarms you can choose to use on this watch. You can use one alarm, you can use up to 5 or anything in between, and then you can also choose to use an hourly chime either with or without an alarm. If you look at your main watch face, you will have icons down here in the bottom left that will tell you whether or not you have any one of your alarms turned on or the hourly chime. You can see in my case there's nothing down here, so I don't have any of them turned on. Let's first go look at our alarms. We're going to simply press the mode button, I believe 6 times, to get to our alarm mode. You'll know that we're on the right one because up here where it says Wednesday for me, it should say ALM for alarm, and then it should show me the last alarm that I looked at. So let's press the mode button 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ALM, I'm now in the alarm mode. Now it's showing SIG because the last setting that I was on was the hourly signal. That is what this is showing. You really don't have any options for your hourly signal other than you'll notice that the status of mine is off. If you want to turn it on, you can press the barometer button, and now I've turned on my hourly chime. You'll also notice that there's a little bell icon that is showing down here at the bottom that tells me at a glance that I've got the hourly chime turned on. That will be on your main timekeeping mode. If you want to turn it off, again, the barometer button will toggle it off. If you use the compass or altimeter button in this mode, it will take you to your various alarms. Compass will go down, altimeter will go up. Alarm number 1, alarm number 2, alarm number 3, 4, 5, and the hourly chime. You'll notice that alarm number 1 for me is off. The time for it is 7:05 a.m. You'll always see your current time down here in the bottom. Now if I go to alarm number 2, that's off as well. If I want to turn any of these on while I'm on the given alarm, I can simply press the barometer button and you'll notice that it toggles it to on. You'll also see that there is an icon down here that's showing me that I've got at least one of my alarms now on. But toggle it off, now I have none of my alarms on. So what if we want to adjust the time on an alarm? When you're on the given alarm that you want to adjust, let's just say I want to adjust the time for alarm number 2. We're going to press and hold the adjust button. You'll notice that your hour hand will start blinking again for the specific alarm. Alarm number 2, the hour is blinking. I can use the compass or the altimeter button to adjust my hours, down or up. Once I've got my hours set the way I want, I can press the mode button. It'll take me to my minutes that I can adjust. Again, I can use the compass button to go down, altimeter button to go up. Once you've got it set the way you want, simply press the adjust button. That'll get you out of the alarm. Now we've set the time for the alarm. When you set your time or you make an adjustment, it will automatically turn the alarm on. Again, if you want to turn that off, you'll use your barometer button to toggle it off. You're going to do that for each individual alarm. So I've got alarm number 2 on. It's set for 6:05 a.m. If I want to go to alarm number 3, I could go do the same thing and set alarm number 3 for whatever value I want to. And then again, don't forget your hourly chime. There's no settings on the hourly chime, so if I press and hold adjust on the hourly chime, it does nothing because the only thing you can do on it is turn it on or off. Once you've got everything set the way you want, simply press the mode button 1 time and we've successfully adjusted our hourly chime and our alarm. Now again, your watch will tell you, in my case, I've got 1 alarm turned on and my hourly chime turned on. I hope the video helps.